Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's DIY video, I really wanted to work with clay because I haven't worked a ton with that before, but I think you can make some really cool and beautiful pieces out of it. So I picked 3 little projects to make with clay, and I am super excited to show you guys how they turned out. Okay, so for this first project, I'm just tearing off a piece of parchment paper and placing that on a cookie sheet. And then I'm going to grab my clay. These ones are all oven-baked clays. And I also grabbed this really cool letter mold to make my own clay letters. So basically just take a piece of clay that you want to work with, and I grabbed a little bit and worked it through my fingers a little bit just to soften it up. And then what worked best for me for getting it into the mold was taking like a tiny little bit and pushing it into the mold and then just kind of scraping off all the excess with my thumb. I tried to do this a few times and this seemed to work the best. So I'm gonna do this for all the letters in the saying that I want. Then I popped the mold into the freezer for about 2 minutes and it made the letters come out so much easier, so I would recommend doing that. And I'm just so excited. They turned out so cute. So I'm taking out all my letters and I had to make more to make my full phrase saying "You grow, girl." And then you just follow the baking instructions on the package, and then you have nice little letters like this. Oh, they look so cute. So I thought for these that I would just kind of upcycle a very basic terracotta pot that I had. So I am just hot gluing my clay letters onto this little pot to say "You grow, girl," and I think it turned out so cute. Okay, so the next clay idea I had was to make little rainbow magnets. I thought this would be such a cute little addition to our fridge. So I am just rolling out the clay like little snakes basically, and just making a bunch of these little rainbows. And then again, just bake according to the package, and then they come out like this. And then I just added a magnet onto the back with just some E6000 glue. Very simple, but I'm obsessed with them. I think they turned out so cute. Okay, and so for this last project, I used some wheat and some air-dried terracotta clay. Fair warning with this one does like stain a little bit, so make sure it doesn't get on like any clothes or any furniture that you wouldn't want stained. But basically I'm just going to roll this out in kind of a rough circle. If you want it more exact, you can like actually get a circle cut out to make an exact circle and then make an arch that way, but I kind of liked the rough edges look. But basically I'm just going to take my wheat and insert it into the clay all the way around to make this cool sunburst effect. And then once I'm done with that, I just use my roller and just kind of smooth out the clay again. And then since it's air dry, you just let it dry for a day or two. And then to hang it, I just add some E6000 glue onto the back with like a little string and let that dry for a few hours. And then you're good to hang it up. I think this is such a fun and unique piece. The inspiration from this actually came from a Pinterest picture that I will leave linked down below. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I actually had like a huge list of project ideas for this video, but only picked 3 of them. So if you like working with clay and want to see a part 2 or a part 3 with some different projects, please let me know by telling me below in the comments or just giving this video a thumbs up. Be sure to also hit that subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube. I hope everyone has a great day today, and I will see you guys next time with a new video. Thanks, bye!